welcome to the house tour. Today we're gonna have a two-car unboxing, two Majorette premium cars. Picked out, just fell in love with this black Lamborghini Urus, have to have that one. And I really wanted to see the Aston Martin Vantage model that Majorette has. I don't have any of those. So let's open them up, put them on the table and have a closer look. Let's start off here with this Aston Martin Vantage GT8. So Norwegian price there, about $6. There it is. A little hard to get out. Comes with this little card here. Some facts on the back. 8 cylinders. 446 horsepower. Top speed 306 kilometers an hour. It's great. Look at the car. Beautiful headlights. Yellow color. A red on the undercarriage, he had a red stripe on it, black interior, black spoiler, black rims, and you can open the doors. There's a Majorette moving parts, or premium as they call it. Right, that was cool. Let's look at the Lamborghini Urus. There we go. It's a matte black Lamborghini Urus, goes with the card. 8 cylinders, 650 horsepower, top speed 305 kilometers an hour. It's a fast car. Look at that. I like the green in the rims and the green stripes on it. Pops out in the matte black colors, clear windows and black inside. Even have a hook for the hanger back there. That is one of the most beautiful Lamborghini Urus I have seen. In diecast, of course. Right, it's two cool cars. I'm gonna put this into my garage and have a photo shoot with it. And I'm gonna spin them with some music afterwards. So if you haven't, please subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like this kind of video, and hit notification bell so you get a warning each time I open some Majorettes. See you later.
We know what we're made of. Can I have your attention, please? We may be small, but we are not weak. We are more than the kids you see, more than the kids you see. Yeah, we know that the world's in pain, and everyone's on a different page. You should hear what we have to say, instead of saying we should act our age. We know what we're made of. No matter if the world tries to change us, it matters what we say, though we are young. We know what we're made of, what we're made of. Yeah, we know that the world's in pain, and everyone's on a different page. We should hear what we have to say, instead of saying we should act our age. We know, we know, we know what we're made of. No matter if the world tries to change us, it matters what we say. Though we are young, we know, we know, we know what we're made of, what we're made of. We know, we know, we know what we're made of. No matter if the world tries to change us, it matters what we say. Though we are young, we know, we know, we know what we're made of, what we're made of.
That rooster crowing 6 a.m. Black rifle coffee, a few good friends. Watching the sunrise in a deer stand. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Casting a ride out on the lake. Ice cold beer, dry tailgates. Watching the sunset, fall asleep. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Out where the green grass grows. It's just one stop sign to a simple life off a dead-end old dirt road. Cowboy hats, pickup trucks, four-wheel drives, digging up mud, sipping whiskey from a Dixie cup. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Rodeo buckles, worn-out boots, wide open fields, small town roots. We like to eat what we shoot. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Listen up. Digging up dirt with these two hands, praying for rain, working that land. The fear of God instilled in every man. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Friday night lights, old town squares, Jesus chicken and county fairs. Sunday mornings are a family affair. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Out where the green grass grows. Where the green grass. It's just one stop sign to a simple life off a dead-end old dirt road. Cowboy hats, pickup trucks, four-wheel drives built for tough. American flags flying in the mud. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Rodeo buckles, worn-out boots, wide open fields, small town roots where the colors run red, white, and blue. Hell yeah, that's my kind of country. We shake hands with everyone we meet. We say hello. That's my kind of country. That's my country. There's no place I'd rather be. Then off an old dirt road in a pickup truck, in the back of the bed with the one I love, kissing under the stars till the sun's back up. Yeah, that's my kind of country music on the